aluminum metal raw material block. Just now we said we will melt the metal block by high temperature into the metal liquid, and then pour the liquid will pour in this stove. And then the scope will move the metal liquid into the mold. And after cooling oil, and then the product will be solid. Now you will see the oil, that is cooling oil. And here is the temperature, melting temperature. Normally, the aluminum melting temperature is 635 degrees. And this is the stove temperature now. And for different material, the melting temperature is different. For aluminum, it's 600, but for zinc or alloy, the melt temperature will be 300 more or less. And we will see how the mold is working. So that is the final product over there. The machine will pour the aluminum liquid into the mold, and after pouring oil, the final product will be produced. And the machine will automatically transfer the parts. We can do aluminum, zinc alloy, magnesium, and steel by casting. So after casting, you will see our workers will be burning here as well. So this is the raw casting finish, and raw casting parts. Of course, we will do the finish treatment again. So here is our plant. 1, 2, 3, 4 casting machines.